All right. We are checking in the Quality Inn in Clearwater, BC. We got a nice Keurig coffee maker sitting here on the desk. 2 queen beds. A couch, coffee table. We got a little kitchen table and chairs. That's the view outside. Oh, we have a balcony. Nice. And a deadbolt. Couple chairs out here. All right. Deadbolt works. Perfect. And then we actually have a little kitchen. That's nice. Stove, sink, microwave, nice and clean. Some dishes. Awesome. Fridge, which is nice and clean as well. And then TV and dresser. That is the room, and we will check out the bathroom. All right. Seems like a nice size. And the shower. Towels. All right. And that is our room for the night. I went down to check out the breakfast area. The room looks really big. They had a menu listed and everything looked good too. This place is supposed to have a pool and hot tub, so we're gonna go check it out. Nobody's here. We usually luck out and head to the pool when nobody else is there. The pool was a decent size, but unfortunately the hot tub was out of order. In the morning, we headed down to get some breakfast.
Well, what I saw big was. Doing the burn program.
Our new Elevate checking account has the banking feature too. Plus, comes with free access to our ceremony training that can help advance your career. As you study Elevate checking today. Come on, team. Feel the earn.
Closed caption.
Typical winter day in Clearwater, what yesterday was a perfect day.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video was helpful. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.